Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Dyson handheld cordless vac. And if yours does this annoying sound, I'm going to show you where it's coming from. So first, unscrew this counterclockwise, this purple filter, and you'll see this O-ring. And somehow, over time, gets too flexible and doesn't create a good seal. So I came up with a way to fix this very easy. All you need is one of these earplug cords and a pair of snips. So I've already cutted one end off. And you're going to feed this cord inside the groove. Well, first stretch this out so it's not curled. And work your way around. Make sure it's seated in the groove properly all the way in. And then you can see the end right there. And I'm going to cut right there, even with the other end. So, you got her in there. Now it's time to assemble it. Twist. And this feels way better because you have this air suction coming in and the gasket's sucking air, which causes that rubber gasket to vibrate and make that annoying sound. So now look. Problem solved. Thank you for watching.